In this short tutorial, I will show you how to redeem a YouTube Premium code. Redeeming a code allows you to access premium features like ad-free videos, offline playback, and background play. Follow these simple steps to redeem your code. To get started, open up any web browser you like, and then tap on the URL bar and type in youtube.com/redeem. Tap Go. It will take you to this web page. What you want to do next is make sure you are signed into your Google or YouTube account that you want to redeem your code on. And then tap where it says, Enter Code. Then simply type in the code. Then tap on the Next button to redeem the code and finish the process. This is exactly how you can redeem a YouTube Premium code on your mobile device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.